Hey there, all you marketing gurus, globetrotters, and video creators. I'm your digital marketing cowboy. Now, before we start getting into video creation, Ronny's going to be giving you all a little tour around his own personal studio. Enjoy.
Hey guys, Ronny here, and today's a very special day because I am going to be showing you all around in my very own private little video studio. Now, the very important thing to know with video editing is there's going to be stuff coming into your editor and there's going to be stuff coming out of your editor. Now, if the stuff coming in is crap, the stuff going out is going to be the same, right? Now, today we're not going to be talking about marketing. I'm not going to be trying to sell you anything, but this is a really great book. How to shoot video that doesn't suck, right? You can check it out, click the link below or go to my website. All right, let's get over to the setup. Okay guys, so here's our studio setup. Over there we have the subject, DMC's chair and all this stuff. And here we have the camera, that's an iPhone on a stand. On top of that we have the script. And the script we click on with one of these. High-tech stuff, right? Now, to make these beautiful wide shots, I use a fisheye lens. Now that's a beautiful little lens that you can clip on your phone, look at it. You just clip it on your phone. Now, we're not selling anything today, but you can click on the link below to get it. Okay guys, because we're going to be using a green screen for the video editing, I've got to explain something about the lighting. I've got 3 lights here, and these are called softboxes. This is the main one. This is the one coming in on this side of the face. Then we have the second one called a fill light. Now this one has to be further away because it just has to fill up the other side of my face. Now we have a third light here in the back, and that light is only for the screen. Because if I had only these 2 lights, I would cast a shadow on the screen, and we don't want that. We want an overall beautiful green colour. So that's why we use the third light over there. Okay guys, so this is the light I was talking about. It's called a softbox. Let's open it up. So this is like a little filter going in the front, and inside you have the light bulb. Now this is the light that goes in there. This is a special light. If you use an ordinary light, it's usually a little bit yellowy, but this light is more like daylight. Now I'm not selling anything today, but if you like it, click on the link below. So thank you very much for watching. Now, to prove to you how amazingly dynamic and flexible this studio gear actually is, I'm not trying to sell you anything. We are going to put it into that little bag.